Once a week, Kellie Plutowski shows up at a little house in East Grand Forks, Minnesota, and provides home health care to its owner, Thor Sannes.
Should we take a little break?
Yeah.
Okay,
Thor is 96 years old and fiercely independent. Despite suffering a stroke, this veteran of the Korean War still lives alone in the same house he's owned for nearly 40 years.
While we're doing that, we're visiting. You multitask, and that's what I love about my job.
It's nice. It's like somebody visiting you.
Kellie schedules her visits with Thor, and while she's there, she checks his vitals, provides personal care, and helps lead him in exercises to keep up his strength.
I had a stroke, and then Kellie come, and she does everything in here, so it's really nice to have her. It's nice to try and get walking again,
After working with Thor for a while, Kellie noticed that his furnace was acting up. It made a lot of noise and frequently kicked on and off.
Yeah, I had another furnace, but it was 16 years old.
So I just asked them, can I nominate you? So I just wrote up a little article about him and submitted it, and then he was selected.
Kellie's husband works at CL Linfoot, a local heating and cooling company that donates one new furnace each year to a local veteran in need. Kellie wrote her nomination for Thor to try and take care of him in a different way. Thor says he wasn't sure what to think.
You didn't think she was being serious.
No, I never heard of nothing like that, giving you away, I didn't say nothing but my head, no way.
In fact, it was real. Chuck Savage works at CL Linfoot, and he was able to sit and visit with Thor during the nomination process. When Thor was chosen as this year's recipient, he came back for the installation. Chuck says it's an honor to provide service to a service member.
He's a neat guy, and I could sit all day and listen to his stories. It's pretty amazing.
He also made it a point to check on the new furnace.
Top of the line furnace, very quiet, should be much more efficient than the furnace he had in here before.
It just kicked on here.
Yep, it sure did. It's working good. It's nice and warm in here. Thor likes to keep it at 74 degrees, he said.
For Kellie, the nomination was yet another act of service for a patient in need. It wasn't health care, but it was just as important.
I'm just excited for him because he's worked so hard, 96 years. Back then you pinched pennies, you lived under your means, So to be awarded a furnace, wow.
With Good Samaritan and Sanford Health News, I'm Jason Anschutz.